In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reverse a video on TikTok, and we're going to use the help of Snapchat. Now, this is very easy. We have a video here that is in reverse that we want to know. What does it say? So what we're going to do is go ahead and click these three dots here. We'll click the save video button. And then once that is saved, we can go ahead and jump over to Snapchat. Once we have Snapchat launched, we can go ahead and click this little album button, go over to camera roll and select our recent video that we just downloaded. And then what we're going to do is click this little pencil at the bottom left and click edit. And then we need to turn our volume up and simply swipe over until we find the reverse filter.
Be sure and drop a like on this video.
And from here, we can click this share button and scroll all the way over and click download. And that will save it to our camera roll so we have a forward motion video.
Be sure and drop a like on this video.
Be sure and comment down below if this method worked for you. Have a great day.